Hey guys, we're going to be unboxing this sticky roll bracelet. Okay, it has 960 stickers and it has, what else? It has, you can make 10 bracelets and 6 necklaces. Now let's open this up and see what's inside. This is hard. Show me. Wow! Wow! Look at all these sticky rolls. Yeah. Wait, Eshaal, you can have one. Wow! Let's see first the sticker. Let's first see the sticky roll book. Wow! Can I see? So you collect more than 1,000 stickers in this book.
Can I see?
Cat stickers, little bear, delicious food. We have sticky rolls, obviously. Beads. I'm not really sure what these are, but they look interesting. Key charms. You put them in this ribbons. And what is this? The collection book of rare stickers.
Yeah.
Should we make a bracelet, guys?
Yeah.